Hi, good morning, guys. Now I finished the painting. So this is the condition now. Painting is okay, not 100% is okay, but even though it's okay, I changed the color of the grill, and I need to fix the winch. But the car still I cannot start because the dynamo, the alternator is not working. So if I start, the battery will be drained. So I'm searching for one alternator. So maybe soon I can fix this. So interior still same condition only. I didn't make any cleaning interior. So maybe I need to the battery remove from the okay, and the interior they fix. But it's all this one also is not complete 100%. Okay, it's not tight. It's look like loose. It's not clean. So I need to clean this interior and the alternator, and the steering wheel is shaking. So maybe the problem of the damper. See, this is the damper. I think this one has been already damaged. And this steering wheel rod also is damaged. See, shaking with my hand. So I need to change this one. So remaining everything is okay. I tried to start with the battery. So it was starting and it was running very good. I need to fix this minor things. The dynamo maybe I will get from aftermarket, maybe around 500-600 real. So remaining car is looking in good condition. That means old is gold. So it looks good condition. Maybe I need to polish it a little bit more. Paint finishing is not that good. It's not glazing that much. So I need to polish a little bit more.